Hey, I have a good news. As part of Alright guys, as part of the upgrade for my vlogging, finally, she allowed me to buy this camera. But you know, just a week ago, this DJI, this action camera from DJI just have been released. So, it's an Osmo action camera. And the difference between the two, the Hero Black 7 and the Osmo action camera, the newest one, might be ano ba? I can say that there is a good competition between them, but you know, you can't just beat GoPro as easily as that. I know DJI is the king up there, but down here the king is the GoPro. But maybe with their future releases they can beat GoPro, but now I must still go for GoPro Hero Black 7. So today I'm going to grab that from the store and I will show you later. See you guys. Ngayon, di ba? Oh, we talked about this for a couple of months.
Hindi na tayo nag-uusap eh.
No, we talked about this for 2 months ago. We talked about it. We have decided that we are going to buy GoPro for our vacations, no? And for our vlogging, for our YouTubing.
Kakainis.
Okay?
Kakainis.
Say yes, KK. KK, say yes.
No, say no.
Say yes.
No.
Hi. Hi. Hi, GoPro. Oh, come on! No.
What's GoPro? Hi, GoPro.
Okay, so let's go. Here we're checking gadgets and for Alkalili hardware if they have the promo for the GoPro 7. Gotta get that. Oh, they are still closed. Right.
Okay.
They're still closed. We will go back later. Oh. Okay, I'm getting this one. My Hero Black 7. Okay. This one. How much is this? Don't say it. It's okay. I'm just kidding. So give that to me, bro. Alright. Okay, so we're back and I'm really excited to unbox our first ever action camera, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. We bought this just earlier today because I insisted to get this one tonight. That is why we got home pretty late. But there's something in my mind and it's telling me to free the genie. So let's do this. Alright, so what we have here is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Like I said earlier, this is still the king of all action cams out there. Yes, there is the DJI Osmo Action Cam, which is a newer one, but it simply cannot beat this one just as easy as that. For me, they need to prove it first with their next release, and that will be compared with the upcoming GoPro Hero 8. But again, the winner here will always be the consumer, because number of competition means maybe a lower prices and may push each other to their maximum capabilities to improve their cameras. So let's unbox this now. Out of the box and it looks nice. And this thing here may be one of the most snub accessory that is included inside. Seems like we don't need this anymore. Let's get rid of this for now. And of course, it has the Type-C data cable, its battery, the mounts, flat mount, and the curve mount for curved surfaces, of course, like helmets, the side of your car, etc. What I have heard about the battery is that it can only last averagely 1 hour, depends on your settings. So just make sure if you need another one of this, you better go with the original. Inside, you have your GoPro sticker and the documentation. It also includes the Hero 7 Black basic casing with the hat shoe and the thumb screw. And yes, it's still waterproof up to 10 meters deep without using any super case. Just make sure you close these flaps or doors properly before going to the water. And that's our very first action camera, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Watch out for the next videos so you can see some water shots we took from our staycation. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe for more. See you!